Hi, my name is Michelle, and today I'm going to be filming a review on this Michael Kors bag that I just got at the Michael Kors outlet. And I'm going to be showing you what's inside my bag and, you know, is it worth buying this medium-sized backpack? Okay, so this is the backpack here. So, as you can tell, it's kind of, I'm pretty sure it is a soprano leather, and it is really soft. And you can probably see here that it has some, like, kind of a quilted design and some floral details here on the side. And let's see, it also has some leather straps. Now, these straps here, they are adjustable. So if you don't like it laying too far down on your back, you can adjust them to make it shorter. And then it has this carrying handle here. I do like having this carrying handle because I don't know if you carry backpacks a lot, but some people that do carry backpacks or even bags, they don't like them sitting on the floor. So, for example, if you have to use like a public restroom or something, you can always hang it up. And then even some people at home, they can put it on like a coat rack or something. So this is the front of the bag, and then I'll also show you some stuff that I have inside here as well. And on the back, it does have a little pocket. You can fit kind of like a hand in here. And then also for sizing references, here's how big my hand is. So this is a medium-sized, it's called the Abbey bag. It has really nice gold detailing on it. And it has the gold little zippers here. Now there's a zipper in the front and in the main section of the bag. This actually can fit a lot of things, so I'm going to show you what I have in here right now. So right now I have my glasses case. This is pretty big, so here we go. This is how big it is. It fits in there. I have my wallet. Let's see what else I have. Oh, I have a pair of the gold Beats headphones. So I do like to carry something that I can have every day. So when I carry a backpack, it's usually because this is something that I want to grab as I head out the door. Anyways, so now I'm going to show you the inside of the bag. So here's the inside. Now this does fold down a little bit, so I'm going to get up and show you. So it does have this, you know, little Michael Kors logo in here. And I'm going to get a close-up in a little bit, but let's see. This is the Michael Kors Abbey medium backpack in black leather. Now this says that this retails for $448, but I didn't get it for that much. They had a 70% off sale, and then it depends on which outlet you go to, but if you spend like X amount of dollars, sometimes they'll take off an additional 10% or 15%. Now I'm going to set this down and then we can get a closer look. Okay, this is a little better. So what I have here is, you can see the detailing here. Has the nice little logo. And so now we're going to go inside the bag. Inside the bag here, we have this, you know, the Michael Kors sign there. And then I'll lay this down so you can see it. It has that really nice detailing. And let's see if I can focus. Oh, there you go. And then this is the tag. Now, does it really cost this much? We don't know, but that's how much the store says it costs. So, we shall see. So we have the zipper here. The Michael Kors thing, what's it say? Tech-friendly accessory. Fashion meets function with this chic accessory, specially designed with padded interior to fit tablets and cell phones. We're going to have to test that in a moment. There's that little zipper. And then another pocket. This is a pretty big pocket. You can see I can fit like my entire arm in here. And then it is pretty roomy. It has, let me see if I can show this to you on camera. But it does have a few other, there's some small pockets in here that are really nice. So now for the next part of the video, let's see what we can fit inside of here. Alright, so we're going to try this out. We're going to see what exactly we can fit in here. And let's see, is this worth it? Alright guys, so I don't know about you guys, but I do have a 10.5 iPad Pro that I use heavily for school. And this says it is tech-friendly bag, so let's see if it fits. And here's the reveal. Oh, let's see. So there's my 10.5-inch iPad Pro, and you can tell it hit the bottom, and it fits almost exactly. It hits right at the top here. It fits perfectly. Let's see what else we can fit in here. Let's see if it'll fit my laptop. That would be really good. That'd be cool if it could. Okay, so obviously it cannot fit a MacBook Pro. This is like the 13-inch, I think, but yeah, that doesn't fit. But you know what? This is like more of an everyday backpack. So honestly, when I go to school, I usually just, unless I'm going to be doing like a good amount of typing, I really only bring my iPad Pro, and then I'll bring a bigger backpack if I am going to need it. So do I recommend this bag? I would recommend this backpack if you are somebody that likes to carry around a purse and you need something a little bit extra, because sometimes when you are carrying a purse, it's kind of hard to like fish around through stuff, and then it's hard to stay organized. And also, if you're somebody that's on the go and doesn't always have a free hand for a bag, or you're busy, or you like to go grocery shopping and you want something that still looks nice but it's functional, I would definitely get this bag. You are able to put an iPad in there, which is really great for people that are in school or in like a techie or business field. And then also it just looks like really good when it's on, and I'll take some pictures of it on as well. But I do recommend this bag. I like it a lot. So if you like my channel and you like this review today, please give the channel a follow and give me a thumbs up. Or if you have any comments or anything, please feel free to leave it down in the video. Thank you, and see you guys again soon. Bye.